Okay, in this quick video, I want to show you how to turn the child lock on or off on any rival microwave. It's fairly simple to do. So the only thing you have to do is locate the stop cancel button. Now, some of them may be the clear button, but it's usually the stop cancel button. I have it here on the bottom left. And the only thing you want to do is hold it down for about 5 seconds, and then there's going to be like a little rectangle icon that pops up. All right, so you're going to hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 5. So you see there's the little icon, so that's the lock. Now to turn it off, disengage it, the only thing you have to do is hold down the stop cancel button for 5 seconds, and that'll turn it off. And that's it. All right, and also to change the clock, only thing you have to do is just hit clock and then set your time, and then hit clock again, and you can change your time on your rival microwave. But they're good little microwaves. Let me know in the comment section, do you have a black one or do you have a white one? And tell me how you like it. All right, make sure you subscribe.